So second part, back on this leaking body shop repair, that everything has to be taken apart and off to get back to a leak that was missed. And if we look down here, you see my light and you see the green. So that's how much of a mess it is. The dye is all splattered all the way over there and splattered all the way over there. And that came from just a few seconds of putting some nitrogen in it. And if I go to the way in the back, you can't see it through the camera. It's a little bit in the back, but it's mostly coming out towards the front. So they just called up the customer and told them that stop them. They were already on their way. Turn around and go home, because this is going to need a condenser because it was missed. And a lot of new employees and miscommunication. And I was called at the last minute on the day that this is supposed to be delivered, when I could have came out here 1 or 2 days ago before they put it together, but instead they waited until after it was together up on the alignment machine when I first got here this morning. So I went and did all my jobs, and now it's the evening. And some shops just keep doing this decade after decade. They never improve on their linguistics or their communication skills between employees and managers. And they're constantly getting and hiring and firing employees, which that tells you something. When a shop has to constantly hire and fire, and they're always looking at employees, it's not because the employees are messed up. Go upstairs a little bit and the biggest turds roll downhill. And when there's these kind of problems, and it happens continuously, the first decade they're in business, the second decade they're in business, and they're still not out of business, I don't think I have to say any more to describe the scenario.